Crash and Bird Automotive here, and we finally got our editing of our catback install. This intro is shot about a month later, so just keep in mind that we had to go back and go through all that video, and thanks to some awesome editing, got that to share with you finally, so super excited about that. We'll go over pretty much the only thing to know is that we don't know anything. It's our first time doing a catback. Before then we've done nothing but oil changes and brakes, so everything that we're going to do to this car we're going to learn how to do the first time. So it should be interesting. But some of the details on it though, the catback, we went with a MagnaFlow catback system. I'll go over the details as to which model and ultimate fitment and any struggles that we had, but yeah.
Okay.
Wherever you set up, that's where we're going to want to try and set up again. Nice before and after. Oh, hopefully she's cold enough.
Be right back.
Alright,
Alright. Yeah. So
this girl needs a bath. Camry needs a bath too.
whoop whoop, there it is. A lot better.
Yeah. Yeah, this is beastie. Okay, it is what we wanted.
You're gonna want to turn that until it clicks.
Thank you. And look at the picture. It shows yes. Okay. But see that plastic piece? I'm sure that has to come out. Okay, to bleed it, we turn the handle counterclockwise. Open the release valve. Remove 4 screws.
What do you mean by closed?
It's not a closed wrench. It's not a circle. So we're gonna do something else. The reverse worm. Hey, that white boy ain't got no moves, but I can do this. Yeah, that was fucking cool. That was probably the coolest thing I've done in my life. Cool.
Got a nut in your mouth.
You just had to fuck it up. You just couldn't let me have my moment because of how cool that was. You just had to. All right, now it's fucking tainted. God, that. You want to remember this? You want to remember this? I'm gonna write it down, take a picture, everything. Just fuck. I'm so fucked up. I had an awesome moment. You're not even bending down. You can't grunt.
I wasn't grunting. It was one of those annoying hiccups.
Yeah, I know. I was making fun of you. Since you're making fun of me and my nuts.
You're the one that caught a nut in the mouth.
You know what? I'm not the only one who catches nuts in their mouth around here.
Yeah.
Just saying. You can catch a nut in your mouth tonight. Okay. Now we run into Okay guys, so we finally get to share with you today our installation of the catback system on our GR86. So we went with the MagnaFlow, details in the description, this is definitely from the first gen lineup that they had. So this isn't a new one specific to this new GR86. And so we kind of took a chance on the fitment and we got it. I mean, they nailed it on this. So at the very end of it, you know, the tips aren't quite lined up right. I think I can adjust it if I get underneath there, but the tips aren't adjustable. So I have to get under there and actually adjust like the way it's hung on the hangers maybe, and kind of see if I can pull it a little bit better. So that's the only thing I would say, is that I wish the tips had been adjustable, and I could have got the perfect fitment just with that. Other than that though, I mean, as you see in the beginning of the video, we didn't even have the proper jack or jack stands. I had to run out and get that, and we've never done anything like this. And honestly, I've got a lot of plans that I want to do modification wise to this car, and I want to do it. And it's going to be interesting to see, you know, how well it can get done by someone who's never done anything like this before. So this particular project was super easy. It was a bolt-on, and like I said, because of the fitment, you know, it just, as soon as we got one off and got one on, that was it. It's all good. So some of the things we're doing in the future, we have our 2021 Nightshade Camry that we're going to do a catback install on that. What else? We have been working to black out the taillights, and we have the last piece of that coming up as well. So we have a video of the first 2/3 blacking out the taillights, as well as we got to do our first time tinting the black lights, or the backlights, excuse me. So that'll be fun, seeing us do tint for the first time ever. Yeah, so it'll be interesting. We also have the 5,000 mile review that I need to do. So I've been driving her around a lot more than most people would drive their car around, I would imagine, and got her up to 5,000 miles. So can do a 5,000 mile review, things that I've noticed, things that have changed from my first impressions, and what I've gotten to know about it over these past 5,000 miles. So subscribe if you want to get notified when that happens, when that video comes out. We also have the my experience out at Willow Springs International Raceway. So I took the GR86 out at Willow Springs, first time ever being on a track, and went and took it out. So stay tuned for that video too. That's coming up, as well as other, just, you know, these are kind of DIY and learn on the fly modifications we're doing. And you know, if it can help anybody, I hope it does. We're just trying to share our experience with our lack of experience doing some of these modification projects. So hope you enjoy the rest of the video. And oh, at the end we have the flyby as well as the rip and launch. So I didn't get the best launch on this video. I'll try to get a better one for you guys later. I also didn't get the best rip, but I didn't like where we were, so I tried to I just did the best with what I had. But there's another spot I want to show you guys that I like to rip. So yeah, please comment down below any suggestions, you know, what you guys want to see, and let us know. And I hope you liked it. Thanks. clutch for a second, okay?
You just tell me.
Ready?